this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create an Azure SQL database inside of Azure Portal. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to portal.azure.com. Then from here you'll simply need to log into your account like you usually would, and then from here you'll see the dashboard like so. Once from here you'll need to go over to the Create a Resource over here, and then this page will be popping up where you can see the published services. Here from you will need to click the SQL database. Once from here you'll see this page right here, and as you can see here I have a free offer applied where I get 100,000 vCore seconds and the ability on low price and high scalabilities for the best features. From here you'll need to go down to the subscriptions where you can add into a subscription that you have and paste it into a resource group for you to do so. You can also create a new one by clicking Create New and then create a new resource group. From here you'll need to go down to database details. You'll need to enter in a name for this specific database, so let's just call it test1, and from here you'll need to choose a server. Now if you don't already have made a SQL database before, there probably shouldn't be any one right here. But don't worry, you'll just need to click Create New over here and then add in your server name like so. And then from here you'll need to choose the location for this specific server, and you'll just need to choose this one that is most close to you, and you can also add the authentication model and set Microsoft Admin if you want to do that. From here it should bring stuff like this again, where you can see the computer storage down here, and you can configure the database if you want to change the standard series Gen 5 to vCore's 32 GB storage with zone reductant disabled by clicking on the configure database, or you can go down to behavior with free offer limits where you can change the behavior if you want to do that, and the backup storage redundancy. Down here you'll also be able to change the network, the security, the additional settings, and over here you can review and create everything that you have chosen. From here you'll simply need to click Create down here, and then the SQL database will be created. And this can take a couple minutes depending on how fast Azure is. As you can see, mine is already submitting and deploying, but as you can see right here, now my SQL database has been created. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!